In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI music completely free of charge that you can use and share and reshare with your friends and even upload it online without you having copyright. And this is going to be developed using Udio AI. This is it. You can access it by coming to Udio AI and you see have it over here. AI music generator for free. So you can come over here. Once you log in, you have to log in with your account, and then you can come over here. You have two options to describe your song or to use a particular style that you want. Let's say I have this song, create an epidemic background music with uplifting melodies, emotional piano, powerful string, and a steady beat, perfect for inspiring speeches. Now you can add different kind of components to this also, and you can upload sample audio and to kind of guide you, and then you can have the changes to make here, like you can create custom or instrumental depending on what you want. So at this moment, I want to keep everything at default, and I'm coming down here and say create. So let's just give it some seconds to see what it's going to generate for me. And as you can see, it has just generated two music for me. So let's click to. I think this is wonderful. Let's hear the second one. And I think this is really wonderful. You can as well go ahead and download it if you are interested by just coming over here. You can see download over here, and you can just download it in MP3 or .wav format depending on your choice. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.